Alright, so I'm sorry that the holdup was kind of a long time, but the names are actually in this box for the people that entered that Soul Steel's Hype Box giveaway. So yeah, that's why it took so long. It had to come inside of this box. It's going to be in a sealed envelope, and we're going to be drawing the winners at the end of this video. So just wait for that, and we'll draw all the names at the end. I'm going to do that uncut, so it's legit, you know, it's a sealed envelope, so obviously if I open up once, you're going to know that it's been opened up. So open it up once, no edits and stuff, so there's no chance of cheating or whatever, because I know you guys are probably all about that. But yeah, it'll be done in one run, so it'll be super legit. The actual box here is a $500 Soul Steel's Hype Box, so let's open it up and we'll get to the winners right after that. Stay tuned, it's coming up.
Yeah. My mind state for like the crime in the summertime. Higher than average, lot of cabbage. Thank God I never abide by the established guidelines that keep niggas inside.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with another Soul Steel's Hype Beast mystery box, otherwise known as a Hype Box. This box is going to be $500 and it does come from Soul Steel's. If you haven't heard of Soul Steel's yet, they're a membership website where you pay $20 a month for the chance to buy these Hype Boxes. Sometimes they have beater boxes on there. They have a whole bunch of shoes for like way under market value. So yeah, check it out. It'll be in the description below. Anyway, if you guys haven't watched those previous videos or you guys were just a little bit too late, we just finished a giveaway for 4 Soul Steel's Hype Boxes valued at $500 in honor of getting 100,000 subscribers. So thank you to Soul Steel's for that. We were a little bit preemptive of it, but I wanted to make sure it was big, and I don't think there's any bigger way than giving away like $2,500 worth of Soul Steel's Hype Boxes. So thank you again to Soul Steel's for that. Congrats to Monique, who actually won that Gleam.io box. Congratulations on that. I posted it in the community tab like a week back, but like I said, this box has the names for the people that bought the membership with that Untied 20 code or whatever. So enough of that. If you guys aren't entered into the giveaway, we'll get right into the Hype Box right now. Like I said, this box is $500, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I found it. Here is the Soul Steel's names envelope, sealed. As you guys can see, I'll put this on the side, and we'll open that up last. But for the actual box, first thing that I see is this huge, let me put this box down. The first thing that I see is this huge Supreme Arabic logo hoodie, and it's like, I guess, orange color. Am I going colorblind? This looks orange to me. Bright orange is what it's called, but yeah. So Arabic Supreme, these actually go for a good amount of money in a size large, sealed bag. Yeah, not bad. This is a nice piece. I don't think orange is my color, obviously. Very like Halloween kind of vibes. So I won't be keeping this one, but yeah, it'll probably be up on the web store, so check that out. Link is in the description below as well. Next out, we got a Bape tee. What kind of Bape tee is this though? So it is that Bape Shark Camel zip, you can see right here. And like this kind of like dark gray or black kind of look. I told you guys that I was getting into Bape, but actually when I started wearing more of it, I realized I can't wear Bape in Hawaii. And the material that they use for their shirts is actually really thick. So because it's super thick and because it's Hawaii, it's like, it gets hot really quick. So I tried wearing a couple Bape shirts out over here, and it doesn't work for me, man. It's just too hot. And I like some of the designs, but honestly, I think I gotta go look for some other kind of like hype things to wear, because Bape is not, it's not Hawaii kind of clothes, man. Last thing in this box, we have a pair of Levi Jordans. I know, it was a quick box, there's only 3 items. So yeah, this one is in the size 11. Ooh, okay. Has the stock X thing still in here. Levi's card. Okay. So this is the all black Levi's, and I actually seen this in person once. It was in one of the vlog videos. And you know, my thoughts on it, wasn't what I was expecting. I do like the Levi's collab. I have the blue one in the back, but this black one, for some reason, just doesn't do it for me, man. It just looks kind of clunky, and it looks kind of like not clean, in my opinion. One of my friends actually did like a wax custom or something of these, and that made it look really nice, but for it in non-custom form, it's just not my thing. And I honestly hoped it would be cool, because this is one of the shoes I was targeting, like when they're showing pictures and stuff, but then when you get it in hand, it's just one of those things where it's like, yeah, I'm not really feeling it. Nice shoe though, consider it. Maybe my friend will do the custom for me. Maybe, please. That'd be cool. Anyway, if that ever happens, I'll show you guys the final result. Talking to you, Richard. You gotta do it, man. You gotta do it. Do it for the channel. Man, that was a really quick box. We had just the Supreme Arabic hoodie, we got the Bape tee, and we got the Levi's, and yeah, $500 box. So what you guys saw on screen over here is that competitive market value, and that's basically what you would get if you sold everything like right now instantly. So it's nice. It's really nice. Obviously, if you wait or you sell it on different avenues, the higher the price goes, but yeah, that's how you got to sell, and it's worth it in my opinion, because like the returns are usually about 20%. So It's been good. It's been really good. I've been liking the hype boxes a lot more than beater boxes recently, so yeah, check that out. But now, the moment you guys have been waiting for. Doesn't feel like there's too many names in here, so I feel like your odds are pretty good if you're gonna win this thing. Yeah, I don't know. So anyway, it's sealed up. From here on out, I'm not gonna edit the video at all, so if I skew your name or if I say something incorrectly, sorry, I can't edit it. So yeah, here we go. Oh. Don't want to rip any names in here. Alright. Okay, there's a good amount of names in here. I don't know if you guys can... Let me just pull out like a handful so you guys can see. There is a good amount of names in here. So don't worry, your name is in here. Soul Seals is very, very legit. It's not... Yeah, there's no possible way that there's going to be like... Your name's not in here. I'm not going to go over every single name in here either. So just trust and it'll be cool. So anyway, we got to pick 4 winners. First one out. There's a lot of names in here. Okay, first one out is a Javier Rocha. Javier Rocha. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, I have no idea where you're from, Javier, but you got box number 1. Name on the screen over here. Mix it up. Let's see. We'll grab this one, I guess. Only got 1. Yeah. Next person is a Nate Soliz. Nate Soliz. You can see right here. Man, that autofocus is bad. Anyway, Nate Soliz, your name will be on the screen as well. Number 2. 2 more. Man, I wish the Ohana could like... I really wish everybody can win, but that just can't happen. So, next name out. I think that's 1. Okay. Next name out is another... Okay, so this one is James Federico. For some reason, I thought we had 2 James. The other one was Javier. Again, that autofocus is probably like not working at all. So yeah, James Federico. See, this is what happens in like the behind the scenes when you don't like the first edit. This is what happens when see, I can't even say anything. This is why you have editing, guys, because when you mess up like that, it can get cut out. Okay, so we got 1 more name. This last person. Ooh, yes, cool. So we got a female winner. This is a Gabrielle Ravello. Gabrielle Ravello. So, yeah, all the names are up here on the screen. Thank you guys for entering the giveaway. And yeah, getting your Soul Seals membership. Honestly, I feel like everybody wanted that because taking a membership for like 20-25% off, something like that, that's kind of a big deal because honestly, before I was paying like the full value, and anytime you can save money, it's a good thing. So again, thank you guys for entering the 100,000 subscriber giveaway with Soul Steals. Thank you very much to soulsteals.com for coming through for the Ohana, man, and just giving out boxes. It's super sick. So all of the people that won, I'm gonna put your names out there, and then yeah, Soul Steals will send you guys your boxes. But for the people that didn't win, I'm sure we'll have other giveaways in the future, like most definitely. So yeah, those will happen whenever I can make it happen, and I want to give back as much as I can, so it'll happen more often than not. Hope you guys enjoyed the hype box. Hope you guys enjoyed the giveaway. This was pretty fun, man. This is cool. And again, thank you to Soul Steals. I appreciate it. I'm just very thankful, man, because there's no way I could have did this on my own. So thanks again, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoot.